Let's go to the farm today. All the animals out to watch the play.
Moo, 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 cow, what sound do you make? Moo, 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 cow, what sound do you make? Moo, 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 moo. That's what you say, yeah, you're a moo cow.
Since the black and white cow, it for the smile is so big. Wow!
Yeah!
A Peppa, o George e o vovô Pig estão fazendo
Says the pig. Well, and your mother wanted it so big. Goes the chicken, looking for bucks, pecking and picking. Says the horse, apples and hay, I eat of course.
There were 9 in the bags, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. Oh no!
Please the sheep, a golly woe for the farmer to keep.
Doggy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
Looks the dog, went out to say hi at the comfortable jog.
Mouse finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
Goes the little mouse, a big great pan and sauce to his house.
Três patinhas foram passear além da montanha para brincar. A mamãe chamou quá, 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 mas só 2 patinhos voltaram de lá.
Says the duck, swimming in the pond, red great black.
Ghost finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
Yes, that's the goat. He missed the noise way down his throat. The only hen at the farm you see is the most favorite place they like to be.